We spent a week with another J6er that when he got out, he went to a halfway house in Las Vegas where his wife and children were, and when he showed up, she said, here's the divorce papers. And so he has literally lost everything, lost custody of his children, lost his wife, lost his home, lost his cars, lost all of his clothes, lost everything. And now he is at the Road Home Project, and he has absolutely nothing except what the Road Home Project and us have been able to provide him right now. So,
and I'm hearing that story a lot, by the way. I'm hearing it a lot. He's definitely not the only case, just the one we've met personally. So I tell all these things to let you know our battle has just begun. And I think now everybody realizes everything Mark and I said to y'all a year and a half, however long ago it was that we were here, has come to fruition.